Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into an anime school character using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you just need to open up Pippit AI website and you're going to get free credits. Then you're going to go to the home, select image feature, and I'm going to add this prompt. I'm going to turn my photo into a school student. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this plus icon, upload from my computer, and I'm gonna pick a random photo from my computer. Okay, maybe this one, and I'm going to click on open. And yeah, just hold on guys. And I'm going to send the prompt and also the photo to AI. Okay, and let's see how it looks. Okay, done guys, and these are the results. Wow, it's cool. And I'm going to choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to click on download, and I'm going to choose without Pippit Watermark. Okay, and yeah, now it has been downloaded. But if you are not satisfied, you can always try again guys here. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can create anime school character using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to create by yourself or try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description. Make sure that you join it right now guys and start creating your best editing. Thank you so much for watching and bye.